Hey guys, this video is about a giant pixie stick. So my thumb's blue. Oh no, I'm just kidding. That's not what this video is about. This video is about secret ways to flip the bird. Number 1, wiping hair. Normal way. Flipping off way. Way number 2, the thinker. Normal way. Flipping off way. And the final way, menacing. I don't know how to spell it. Normal way. And flipping off way. And those are the secret ways to flip the bird with a giant pixie stick. And there's going to be a secret way, or bonus feature, I guess, right after this video. I'm going to go make it now. Bye. Normal way. Flipping off way. Bye bye.